did a project in Nanoose about a year ago, and I was a retired couple, and I went out to see them for the very first appointment. And when I got there, it was immediately apparent that the woman had strong ideas and goals and really wanted to invest in the home, to have a new kitchen and change the whole upper floor of the home to make it what she wanted it to be. And the gentleman was not so interested. He hardly spoke to me, and as quickly as he could, he got downstairs to where I think the TV was on. So that was my introduction to the couple. We went ahead and got our interior designer, Ronnie, involved, and Larry, to come up with a design concept that would work and so on. We did all the work, and it turned out beautifully. It was an amazing transformation of the home. It was incredible. And so then I went back after the project was done, and I just stopped by to check everything out and talk to the client and see how they felt about the process and everything else. So I walk in, and he met me at the door, and he grabbed my hand, he shook my hand, and the first words out of his mouth were, "I want you to know something. Every day at about 4:15 or 4:30, I would hear the vacuum go on upstairs, and I knew Wayne was cleaning up. He always left it clean and tidy. He took pride in everything he did, and I knew it was all okay." And that's what tickled him about the job. The workmanship in the end was beautiful, the plan, the colors chosen, the finishes, it's all gorgeous. But to that client, the important thing was part of the process and the pride that our people took along the way, and the attention to detail. And it was just a very different ending than I thought, because he didn't seem to care at first. At the end, he was a fan of our crew.